Solve the simultaneous equations x squared plus y squared equals 29 and y minus x equals 3. Let's rewrite the equation y minus x equals 3 as y equals 3 plus x. Now we have an equation of y in terms of x, so that is 3 plus x, which we can substitute into this equation, into the y. So let's do that over here. From that we'll get x squared plus 3 plus x squared equals 29. Let's expand this now. We'll get x squared. I'm going to explain this over here so it's easier for you to visualize. We have 3 plus x multiplied by 3 plus x. And when we expand those, we get 3 times 3, which is 9. 3 times x, which is 3x. Another 3 times x, which is 3x. And then x times x, which is x squared. I'm going to write that down here. So that is plus 9 plus 6x, because 3 plus 3 is 6, plus x squared equals 29. Let's get all the variables to one side, so that is 2x squared, because we have the 2x squareds, plus 6x minus 20 equals 0, because 9 minus 29 is minus 20. Let's divide through by 2 to get rid of the 2 in front of the x squared. We don't need to do this, but I'm going to do this just to make it easier to work with. So that's going to be x squared plus 3x minus 10 equals 0. Now let's factorize this so we can find two different values of x. So this quadratic factorizes nicely into x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 2. Therefore, our 2x values are going to be x equals minus 5 and x equals 2. So we have two values for x from this equation. We need to find out the values for y. So remember, we have this equation, y equals 3 plus x, which you can use to find out the y values. So let's find out the corresponding y value for x equals minus 5. That's going to be y equals 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So y equals minus 2. Let's look at the second one. X equals 2. Y equals 3 plus 2. Therefore, y equals 5. So our two pairs of solutions will be x equals minus 5 and y equals minus 2. And x equals 2 and y equals 5. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below.